People production.
Vlog on the go, me a vlog on the go. I have some information for you to know.
Come to Livefoot TV at the right place, so let's don't go nowhere.
Bless you, love, greetings all my viewers and subscribers, my kings and queens, my lioness, I hope all is blessed. I don't know, as usual, I always visual finds you all in the best of health. I know where they are, a vlog on the go, I don't know, when the vlog on the go, anything go. So right now, the lovers of dancehall and reggae, big up on yourself. You know what I mean? Let's help build it back and bring it back, you know what I mean, to the foundation roots. You get to me and say, no, my kings and queens, my lioness, this one is a musical updates. Quick and fast. I don't know if we keep the fans them of the artists them, you know, up to date and see what go on. And we love to see the artists them live good and enjoy life. You know what I mean? During this pandemic moment, and I keep it up same way. You see me? Now my viewers and subscribers, I kick it off with the King Beenie, man. Zina Walla Jai and Bounty Kill and friends. You know what I mean? They're on the ends. Zine, yeah, they have a vibe. So I'm going to hear them go on and them tell you the reason why I choose to put this video on the vlog. Zine, yeah man, so watch what I go on.
Read it. She did have a parrot named Zaria father. Yeah. Named Pretty. A straight sucker woman and man that tell you. Get a parrot. Yeah. You let her read and not talk. You have to get him back in the argument. Pretty man, same really nice. Yeah, pretty. Straight sucker motherfucker.
Yeah man, I hear Beenie man I tell us brother did have a parrot named Gritty, really seen. S your mother, the parrot love talk, so you see me? And a real thing. I read them my bedroom and my reason about parrot, you know. Big up them on the printer, you know. Right lane, you see me? Yeah man, and big up the Rasta man too, you see it? Yeah man, spiritual speaker, you know what I mean? Yeah, so the reason why I put that video now, the parrot, you know, say parrot can talk. Big up Delicree Lane, whole Delicree Lane, big up on yourself, Mackay Lane, Payland, Wall Kingston 11 now, our place, Mangostown. See? Live in love, stop the crime. No, you have an elder named Jati. Zine, me and him son them grow, the whole of them, seeing some they drop out, get involved in the badness and you don't know, some they got foreign and thing. But Jati is a man who have him shop. Enough entertainers go there and go buy them stuff, you know, food. Because him work 24 hours, him fry ready rain, fried dumpling, saltfish, fried dumpling, kalalu, anything you can go get your snack there 24 hours, right through the morning. Zine, the man need have a parrot. The parrot can chat, be a bad word, everything the parrot talk. You see me? So one day the parrot must go catch, see them and make love. Like the one I give woman a backers in the shop. You see it? And the parrot talk out the whole thing. I swear to God, the parrot talk out the man business and the woman must take her dry down her panty and skin out her butt. I showed the parrot laugh till him dead. A serious thing, you know? Yeah man, a serious thing, man. And them have the parrot for years, you know. Yes man, so that's why I decided to put that on the platform, because through Weenie man I talk about parrot, you see me? Yeah, real thing, man, you have some parrot can talk, man. Them have sense, them talk everything. And then just bad word them can cuss, you see it? Yes, my viewers and subscribers. So big up Beenie man, big up Bounty Killer, you see me? And you don't know, big up everyone. We love to see the artists them live good, you know what I mean? And friendly. You get what I say? Yeah man, keep it that way, alright? Loving the music. Moving on, my viewers and subscribers. Next one, you don't know. Papi. Popcaan. More time Popcaan go on with some things, you see, man. I tell you, youth full of vibe. You see me? Yes, I remember the days where I come from. Dumpling and butter we can't figure. Dirty girl curry and stew chicken back. Watch where I go on.
Right, set up.
So what go on, sir?
Can't be for going on, so brother. Yeah,
Can't be for going on.
Yeah, no, different. Yes, uncle, bless up.
So how much is you doing?
Coming on a fuck. Just I use you and make fashion.
And undo.
And over Africa, so people they slap with food, you know. Yeah, man.
Popcaan, big up yourself, yo, beloved, nobody keep the thing good to call it the article, you know. Zine, don't forget where I come from. Seeds of Popcaan, man, now him there, somewhere out there, you know what I mean? Him and him team. And it's like them stop on a wall, jive on the roadside or wherever they are. See, so the man have 2 loaf of bread. I see 2 loaf of bread and bully beef. The man have bully beef in a container, a cup. See, and the man have him hand. See, nothing wrong with that. Yeah, man, sometimes when you reach certain place and you have certain things and you have to just sacrifice and know, say, yo, you mean, man, a soldier, man, a bushman. You see me say that Popcaan, you ain't ask him what I do, man. So you mean what I do? Bully beef and bread. I saw them deal with Africa, you know. Remember that Africa tour last year, you see me a Gambia. Yeah, man, I saw them eat, man, you know. Even in UK, I saw them eat, some of them, you know. But everybody have them culture. Nothing wrong, Jamaican eat to them hand too. You see me? Yeah, you see it. So Popcaan make him know, say, yeah, man. I saw them deal with it with Africa, you know. Yeah, man, so big up Popcaan, keep the thing real same way. And I don't know, stay out of trouble, bro. See, and go and enjoy life and you don't know, big up yourself. See? So big up Popcaan. Yeah, man, I saw you go, man, bully beef and bread. Remember when you eat dumpling and butter, man? Rather eat a dumpling pan leaf, man. Green leaf, pick out the leaf off a tree, and we cook a bush. Cheese pan, you see me? Cheese pan was the pot. See? And fry with dumpling and butter, boil, you know what I mean? And man, I eat them chicken back. Pan leaf. See? Yeah, man. I really think, man, ackee leaf and all of them things there. Banana leaf, you know? Yeah, so don't know again once more. Big up all of the fans of Popcaan, big up everyone's. Next again, I don't know. Zine, ChingChing. The man out there somewhere. And I show off him earnings, him winnings, him royalties, him riches. You know what I mean? Him happiness. And you don't know, I have to give grateful for that and be grateful for that. Can't go to man for them things, see? So watch what I go on.
You there, you do?
On the ready man. Out in the road, you know the bodies.
Yo, zoom in for my suit. Can't I talk the truth? No, there's no resume there. Forward close to the camera. Yeah. Check me out. Yeah. Yeah, look for my diamonds then. Yeah, and a popsicle. That's nice. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Look for my teeth.
24 good. 24.
24 karat gold, that's some roll coal. Look for my suit. To tell the truth. For my clocks. What's the clock? Look for my bracelet. For my ring. For my watch. My outside.
Girl, I'm outside.
No, I'm not in the gallon outside, but I'm outside. Ching!
Yeah, man, big up ChingChing, you know what I mean? Respectful, you know what I mean? And remember, ChingChing come from nothing to something. The man used to run the dance hall and he work hard to reach where he reach and have where he have. See, the man used to have the sickest rhyme. You know, he's known for his rhyme lyrics, them, you know, him talking, you know what I mean? Metaphors, them just talking. Going out dancing, roll out all him carpet, you know what I mean? And him fight for him thing, him put in the work in the dance hall, you know what I mean? Until him gain him spot from dancing to music, you know what I mean? And he ventured again with Popcaan, then they part ways, you know what I mean? Then them link up with Sean Paul and, you know what I mean? So big up ChingChing, it's a joy if you see you out there enjoying the life. And sure enough, your riches them. Some people might say I show off, but me don't do the same thing too. Because right now I'm happy. And I feel sure live life and enjoy my riches and my wealth, you know what I mean? That's how I hype on people, but you see me, yeah, ChingChing and show off him grill them, 24 karat, you see me? In chain, ice, ring, watch and all of them things there. You know what I mean? So that ChingChing and show off, you know what I mean? So yes, my viewers and subscribers, yeah, man. So big up ChingChing once more. I'm happy for you to reach in a life and you help your families them. Make sure you help your family them and your friend them, you know. See? Don't squander your money, put it to use. See? Next, my viewers and subscribers, watch what go on. Dan Mafia. You know, Dan Mafia is the next artist who I work hard for, you know, gain fame glory right now. Bad lyrical artist, bad lyricist, songwriter, you know what I mean? And he might put in a lot of work since of lately. Right now, he have a song with Japanese. So watch what go on.
Can't stop this sweet reggae music.
Can't stop nice reggae music.
Yes, can't stop the sweet reggae music. Zine, can't stop the sweet reggae music. Big up Dan Mafia, just go and put in the work same way. You know what I mean? Greatness. You know what I mean? Yeah. Yeah, man. Big up Dan Mafia, big up the Japanese. You know what I mean? Yeah, man. You don't know when the pandemic over and the place open up back, you know, so John Mafia got the Japan for sure. Because the song is a nice reggae song, you know, Japan them love reggae, you know what I mean? Asia them love reggae, Europe them love reggae, so once you do open up, you know, Dan Mafia get crazy booking, you know, for ask of that. You see me? Yeah, so big up Dan Mafia, big up the Japanese. I don't know the name of the song, but I just saw it and so I'm going to include it in the content. You know what I mean? Yeah, man. So big up Dan Mafia, big up the Japanese once more. You see me? A straightness. See? Next, my viewers and subscribers, watch what I want. You don't know Grace Hamilton Spice. You know what I mean? My artist that. See? You don't know. Big up Spice, you know what I mean? She work hard and put in her work and things. So Spice put out an Instagram thing where she showed boy skin up me boom boom. My name boom 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 boom. So big up fever in the dinner date. In the so we can laugh at it. You see me? Yes. Big song. So Spice I say boy, one song change our life. See? Yes, so big up. One song can change your life. You know? We see one song change many artists' life. Me know one elder artist, you know, forgot his name, but the man say, yo, we in a group with him, and the man say, one song him sing, you know, and it change him life. And the money we make out of that song there, him just venture into business. Zine, and right now, he must say, boy, I'm just doing a business, you know, because I don't know if I'm going to get a next hit song, because the music thing corrupt, and I luck me strike and get that hit song there. Zine, so the man say, it change him life, you see me? Yeah, so one song can change your life, you know what I mean? And so Spice, I said that song can change your life, you see me? Yeah, man, boom on it, and boom, 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 boom. You see me? And she say, yo, 92 millions real views. She not buy no views. 92 million real views. When I wrote this song 6 years ago, I was broke as F. You know what I mean? Oh, home with my kids and told myself, if this song don't bust big, I'm done with music. I drove to every party to get this track played. Myself, I burned CDs with the little money I got and drove around to give them out. I promoted this with all I got. Big up every selector. Too much to tag. I took the streets and never looked back. God is always right on time. Moral of the story is sometimes you will definitely feel like giving up, but don't. See? Some like wanted to take out, skin out me pum pum line so bad. What she say what? Yeah. Yeah. Some like it, yeah. Sorry my people. Me can't read no don't say me done, you know. Yeah, me a bright boy. See? Yeah. So I threw the kind of you know, hashtag up and all of them things. So yeah, she say hashtag some like it. I wanted to take out skin up my pum pum line so bad. I was ashamed and embarrassed when I said it at first. Smile emoji. But that fucking line made me rich. So I will be skinning out my pum pum right through. Bye. Yes, my viewers and subscribers. I hear Spice I said, yeah, when she wrote the song, you know, and the skin out the pum pum line makes you feel shame and embarrassed. Yo, I have some hardcore derogatory song I'm writing, but I not sing them. You see me? Leave that to my brother, real scale. Bad artist. You know what I mean? I give the thing hardcore and raw. See? Yeah, so Spice, I said when she wrote the song, you know, she put in the work, she burned CDs, she go check the selectors them herself, you see, and put in the groundwork. You know what I mean? I can relate because 2017, 18, I did the same thing. Almost CD, I go Jamaica with almost 1,000 CD, who feels it knows EP, and did almost the same thing, link up with enough selectors, boom, boom, and them thing. I tried to do the thing real and natural, but I get a whole heap of strength, but it was difficult. You know what I mean? I get the exposure, I get the acknowledgement, you know. People were linking me freely. TV, like CVM, TVG, Hype TV were linking me. You know what I mean? Call me to come and host show and all of them things there. And promoters calling me to come and perform. And I didn't use the money for bribery or nothing. You know what I mean? And if I big up the selector them, enough of them I can call, but I'm not calling them, I know myself. But give me the strength, see? I'm not forgot to see. As soon as I'm up again, I don't know me, I'm big one up. You hear that? Yeah, man, so. Yeah, man, Spice, she put in the work, and to every aspiring artist out there, recording artist, upcoming or what, just believe in yourself, try invest in yourself and push yourself, and you never know, you know what I mean? Yeah, keep it real and have gratitude. Zine? Yes, don't expose the dirty thinking attitude, just show the gratitude and big up who did the fear and show the support. See? Because sometimes when I try to buy out away, you know, people tend to use it that way, you know? But when I try to approach the thing real and natural, it might be harder and tougher, but go the real way. As some see it. You see me, so Spice, I can know say 92 million real views. Because sometimes the song now for bus from Jamaica and it can bus elsewhere in the world. And then Jamaica start checking and the rest of the world start checking. Seeing? Yes, my viewers and subscribers, I don't know I hate that, you know. So big up everybody, a peace and love and unity in the community. You know, there's another update from Lionfoot TV. Look out for the competition coming soon. You know what I mean? Where I will giving away a hat. You know what I mean? Whether a peak or, you know, a beanie tam or a t-shirt. You know what I mean? Yeah, or some funds. You see me? Yeah, so this question will be my first, what was my first single and the year, you know what I mean? Yeah, so listen out for it, my lioness, I'm a lions, kings and queens. Big up on yourself. Support is highly appreciated. Peace and love. Yeah, man, and love on. I'm out.
Rastafari Birdlegs in ADE Prints and Design giving a vibration for the advertisement of ADE Photo Studio. Yes, we are here in 45 Raleigh and Market. ADE Print. T-shirts, photographs, hats, almanacs, CD, DVD, all different type of paraphernalia we print in ADE and assist the community. Almanacs, anything that you think of, we're here to assist in printing and design. Rastafari.